The topic for today's video is concept of non-governmental organization. So let us try to understand how the term NGO came into existence. So the term non-government organization or NGO was not in general currency before the formation of United Nations in 1945. So, non governmental organizations or NGOs were first called as such in Article 71 in the Charter of the newly formed United Nations in 1945. This eventually passed into popular usage, particularly from the early 1970s. So let us try to understand the concept of NGO. A non government organization is a legally constituted organization created by natural or legal persons that operates independently from any government. The term is also usually used by governments to refer to entities that have no government status. NGO or non government organization usually has a charitable objective and works for the betterment of society. NGO is an umbrella term for all non profit organizations, including trust, society, and company. In India, they are also called as Sangathan, Sangh, or Sangam. The term is usually applied only to organizations that pursue some wider social aim and are not overtly political organizations such as political parties. In many jurisdictions, these type of organizations are called as civil society organizations, or also referred by other names such as community-based organizations, non-profit organizations, or voluntary organizations. Um, The number of internationally operating NGOs is estimated at 40,000, whereas national NGOs are at a much higher figure than this. And in India alone, we have an estimated 3.3 million NGOs. In India, the voluntary sector or non-profit sector is an all-embracing term that can include organizations, societies, associations, trusts, and companies registered under various acts such as the Societies Registration Act and the Indian Trusts Act. NGO may be registered as a trust, a society, or a non-profit company depending on the activities of the NGO. So now let us have a look at some of the definitions of NGO. So the term non-government organization has no generally agreed legal definition. However, it has been defined by different organizations, and these are some of the definitions. So the World Bank has given this definition of NGO. NGOs are private organizations that pursue activities to relieve suffering, promote the interests of the poor, protect the environment, provide basic social services, or undertake community development. So this is the definition given by World Bank. Now let us have a look at another definition given by United Nations. So a non-governmental organization or an NGO is any non-profit voluntary citizens group which is organized on a local, national or international level, is task oriented and driven by people with a common interest. NGOs perform a variety of service and humanitarian functions, bring citizen concerns to governments, advocates and monitors policies, and encourages political participation through provisions of information. Some are organized around specific issues such as human rights, environment, or health. They provide analysis and expertise, serve as early warning mechanisms, and help monitor and implement international agreements. Their relationship with offices and agencies of the United Nations system differs depending on their goals, their venue, and the mandate of a particular institution. So this definition is given by United Nations and is quite elaborate. And this is particularly about NGOs which are interacting with the United Nations. So another definition by Government of India Planning Commission Policy given in the year 2007. So NGOs are organizations engaged in public service based on ethical, cultural, social, economical, political, religious, spiritual, philanthropic, or scientific and technological considerations. So these are the references for these definitions and other concept of NGO. So you can refer this for a much deeper understanding. Thank you.